Testosterone is a hormone that is found in men and women, but is more commonly associated with men. It is produced primarily in the testicles in men and in the ovaries and adrenal glands in women. Testosterone plays an important role in the development of male characteristics, such as muscle mass, body hair, and a deep voice. In men, low levels of testosterone can lead to a variety of symptoms, such as low sex drive, fatigue, and decreased muscle mass. It is important to maintain healthy levels of testosterone in order to support overall physical and sexual health. There are several foods that have been shown to boost testosterone levels in men. Before we dig into details, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and share with your family and friends. We will be delighted with your support. Foods that are proven to boost testosterone levels by 100% are as follow. Number 1. Oysters. Oysters are a great food for boosting testosterone levels because they are rich in zinc. Zinc is a mineral that plays a key role in the production of testosterone, and has been shown that zinc deficiencies can lead to decreased testosterone levels. Studies have shown that increasing zinc intake through diet or supplements can help increase testosterone levels in men. Oysters are particularly high in zinc, with a 3-ounce serving providing more than 500% of the daily recommended intake of zinc. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to help increase testosterone levels. Studies have shown that consuming garlic can help boost testosterone levels in the body, but more research is needed to confirm this. However, it's important to note that consuming large amounts of garlic may have negative effects on some people, so it's best to consume it in moderation and talk to a doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. Number 3. Pomegranate. Pomegranate has been shown to have a positive effect on testosterone levels in some studies. Research suggests that consuming pomegranate juice may help increase testosterone levels and improve sperm quality. Pomegranate contains antioxidants that may help protect against cell damage, and also it contains compounds that may help reduce inflammation, which may be beneficial for testosterone production. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is high in magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in the production of testosterone. Studies have shown that magnesium deficiency can lead to decreased testosterone levels. Spinach is a good source of magnesium, which makes it a great food option for boosting testosterone levels. However, it's important to note that increasing magnesium intake alone may not necessarily boost testosterone levels if there is an underlying issue causing low testosterone. Number 5. Shellfish. Shellfish like crab, lobster, and shrimp are good sources of zinc, selenium, and vitamin D, which are also good for testosterone level. Selenium is a trace mineral that is essential for the proper functioning of the body's immune system and is also believed to have a role in maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Vitamin D is a steroid hormone that helps the body absorb calcium and is also believed to have a role in maintaining healthy testosterone levels. It's important to keep in mind that consuming shellfish in moderation is recommended, as they can be high in cholesterol and consuming them in large amounts may have negative effects. Number 6. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and vitamin D, both of which have been shown to help increase testosterone levels. Eggs are also a great source of cholesterol, which is used by the body to produce testosterone. Studies have shown that consuming eggs can help increase testosterone levels in the body, but more research is needed to confirm this. However, it's important to note that consuming excessive amount of eggs may have negative effects on some people, particularly those with high cholesterol, so it's best to consume them in moderation and talk to a doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. In conclusion, testosterone is a vital hormone in the human body that plays a crucial role in the development and maintenance of muscle mass, bone density, and overall physical and emotional well-being. While it is primarily associated with men, women also produce and benefit from testosterone. However, testosterone levels can decline with age and certain medical conditions. It is important to understand the effects of testosterone and to consult with a healthcare professional if you suspect you may have a deficiency. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a better understanding of the importance of testosterone in maintaining a healthy body and mind.